Are your nails peeling, tearing, or just weak, dull, and meek? Nails are like windows, giving us a peek into our overall health. Transform your nails to match your inner age. You still feel like you're in your 20s, right? Keratin is the protein our nails, hair, and skin are made of. So when you observe a change in their condition, it could be a clue that something's amiss. It may indicate deficiencies or underlying health issues. But wait, here's an interesting fact. The nail as we see it is actually dead. Yes, you heard that right. The living part of the nail, the matrix, is a pocket under your skin from where the nail grows. It produces cells that harden and form our nails. Did you know that the growth of a new nail takes roughly 6 months? Discover all the secrets you need to know in minutes. Then I'll share a secret smoothie recipe that has everything your nails need. Our nails need a well-rounded diet to stay healthy. The vitality of our nails largely depends on essential vitamins and minerals. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is crucial for strengthening nails, reducing breakage and enhancing growth. Vitamin E promotes blood circulation and helps in the growth of new nails. Zinc plays a vital role in cell division and growth, while omega-3 fatty acids keep nails moisturized and supple. Vitamin C aids collagen production, a protein vital for the strength of your nails, and iron helps prevent brittle nails. Picture a smoothie brimming with these nutrients. A delightful blend of spinach, bananas, organic berries, and flax seeds. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that your nails crave. Or perhaps consider eggs, an excellent source of biotin, to give your nails that extra boost. However, if you opt for supplements over natural food sources, remember to consult your doctor, especially with biotin, as it can affect some blood test results. But remember, external factors also influence nail health. It's not just about what's going on inside our bodies, but also the external conditions we expose our nails to. Harsh chemicals, for instance, can strip away the natural oils in our nails, leading to dryness and brittleness. Even certain medications can interfere with nail health, causing changes in color, shape, or growth. Then there's the wear and tear from daily activities. Frequent wetting and drying can weaken nails over time, making them prone to splitting and peeling. And let's not forget physical trauma, like the accidental stubbing of your toe or the repetitive tapping of your fingers on a keyboard, both of which can cause damage to your nails. So how do we protect our nails from these external factors? Good hygiene is key. Keep your nails clean and dry to prevent bacteria and fungi from setting in. And despite the temptation, steer clear of harsh nail care products that can do more harm than good. Finally, don't forget to moisturize. Regular application of a good moisturizer can help keep your nails hydrated and healthy. So try to keep your nails dry and clean. Avoid harsh nail care products and use a moisturizer regularly. To summarize, the secret to flawless nails lies in a combination of a well-rounded diet, good hygiene practices, and avoiding harmful external factors. Consider this: a smoothie recipe filled with essential vitamins and minerals that your nails crave. It's a simple commitment to your health and the health of your nails. Try it for 3 months and witness the transformation. Remember, your nails are more than just an aesthetic accessory. They are an indication of your overall health. When your nails are healthy, you are healthy. So let's make nail health a priority. Not just for the sake of a beautiful manicure, but for our overall well-being. And there you have it, the secret to flawless nails explained in just a few minutes. It's not rocket science, but it does involve a little bit of biology, a touch of nutrition, and a whole lot of care. Now go ahead and embrace those healthy, strong, and beautiful nails you deserve.